Good morning. Explain the pentagonal prism projection of solid. Okay, so here the object is actually a pentagonal prism. Okay, so the dimensions given, the side of the pentagonal prism is 30 mm and the height of the pentagonal prism is 70 mm, and this is resting on HP. Okay, and this is resting on HP. So I will draw the quadrant. Okay, so this is the horizontal plane, and this is the vertical plane, and this is the XY line. Okay, so here I will draw a pentagonal prism here in HP, because in the question it is given that. Okay, so I will draw the height. Okay, this is a rough pentagon. Okay, so here you can see this pentagon is in HP. Okay, on its base edge, such that the rectangular face containing that edge is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So here the pentagonal prism is resting on HP on its base edge. Okay, such that the rectangular face containing that edge is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So you have to tilt this object either to right side or left side. When you tilt this object to right side, see, you can see, consider this is one edge. Okay, I will dark this. So here this is one edge. This edge consists of a rectangular face. So I will draw some inclined line. So check this inclined line surface. Okay, so this is the inclined line. Check the inclined line surface. See, you can see. So this surface. So this, when you tilt this object to right side, this pentagonal prism is resting on this edge. Okay, this is the resting edge, and on this resting edge, this rectangular face containing this edge, the resting edge. So you can see, when you tilt this object, this is the resting edge and this is the rectangular face containing this edge. So this rectangular face makes an angle of 45 degree with the HP. Then, and the base edge on which it is resting, so here this is the base edge on which it is resting, okay, is inclined at 30 degree to VP. So here you can see this edge is making an angle of this inclination with the VP is actually 90 degree perpendicular to VP. So you can see this inclination is 90 degree. So this inclination is actually 90 degree. Okay, so here in the question that inclination is 30 degree to VP. Okay, so first I will draw the top view. So top view is a pentagon. So first I will draw the top view. Top view is a pentagon. Then this is the front view direction. Then draw the front view. So front view is actually a rectangle. So you have to draw a rectangle of height 70 mm. Then you have to tilt this object, okay, such that the inclination so when you tilt this object to right side, you can see this is the resting edge. Okay, this is the resting edge. Okay, and the rectangular face containing that resting edge is this line. This line represents the rectangular face containing the resting edge, and this edge, this rectangular face, makes an angle of 45 degree with HP. So you have to tilt this object such that this inclination is 45 degree. Then you have to project from this direction, and you mark all the intersecting points, then join all the intersecting points. You will get this figure. Okay, then you can see the resting edge. This is the resting edge. See, this line represents the resting edge, and this resting edge makes an angle of, this angle is actually 90 degree with the VP. I already explained this resting edge makes an angle of 90 degree with the VP. So you have to tilt this object. So I have to tilt this object such that you can see this is the resting edge. Okay, so this is the resting edge, and this resting edge makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. So you have to redraw this object such that this resting edge, this is the resting edge, this resting edge makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Okay, then you have to project from this direction, mark all the intersecting points, then join all the intersecting points. You will get the final figure. Okay, so once again I will explain. First you have to draw the top view. So top view is a pentagon. Then next is you have to draw the front view. Front view is a rectangle of height 70. Then you have to tilt this object such that this inclination, so here this inclination is, this is the rectangular face inclination is 45 degree, and this pentagonal prism is resting on the base edge. and project it, and you will get the top view. And this is the resting edge, and this resting edge makes an angle of 90 degree perpendicular to VP. But in the problem it is given that the resting edge is inclined at 30 degree to VP, so you have to tilt this object such that this is the resting edge, this is the resting edge, and this resting edge makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. So project in this direction and project in this direction, mark all the intersecting points, join all the intersecting points, you will get the final figure. Okay.